What's up guys, Widge the Wiz here. Today I'm going to be working on my CBR 600 F4i track bike. Now, I have been waiting so long to do this video. I've literally bought the parts almost 12 months ago at this point. And I know this video is going to be so good and I just want to put everything that I have into it to make it as amazing as possible. But guys, let's cut that out and let me show you what we're going to be working on. One of the main things that I actually kind of liked about this bike was the way that it sounded, but if we take a look at the muffler here, it looks pretty used and just honestly it's not looking the best anymore. So I figured if we're building a track bike, we might as well go for the full upgrade. And today I present to you the Delkevic full system with carbon fiber can. Guys, this is going to be so awesome. Let's go ahead and get to the install. It's worth noting that for this install, it is recommended that you remove the radiator. I, however, opted not to do so, so I only removed the bottom radiator bracket bolt so that it gave me a little bit more wiggle room to work with the mounting points for the manifold. If you also chose not to remove the radiator, be patient with this next part. It will take you a while to access the bolts to remove the manifold, but just work with it, don't force anything, you'll get it off. It also helps to have a flexible ratchet extension or universal joint. Before installing any of your new exhaust parts, it's a good idea to remove any adhesive or oils that came on them from the factory. I use a product called Goo Gone, and this works great to remove any of the sticker adhesive for these parts. Reuse the old silicone bushing from your original exhaust. Take it off of the old manifold collector and move it to the new collector. Alright guys, so I've been working on this exhaust now for a couple of days and it hasn't been the most straightforward install, surprisingly. A lot of the parts you have to kind of put them together in a loose fashion first and then torque everything down at the end. So let me go ahead and show you where we're currently at and what we have to do to get done. So currently we have the header pipes installed in a loose fashion. They haven't been torqued down yet. Down to the collector and then to the pipe that goes out to the muffler. Now, one thing that's interesting here is this little tab on the inside here. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but it's really close to my wheel. Again, not sure what that's for. I'm gonna have to do some more research on that. But basically, the exhaust is all on. I just have to get some sealant on those pipes there, tighten those, and then install the muffler. All right, I'm gonna get back to work. After you have loosely fit the entire system together and confirmed your fitment, begin applying sealant to the pipes that need it and start torquing down all of your fittings.
Alright guys, so I'm torquing it down right now, the headers, and this seems to be the perfect setup. An extension going to a universal joint on the end. Now I know this can throw off your torque spec, potentially. Just, you know, use good judgment. Also, when you're tightening, there's going to be a top bolt and a bottom bolt. Don't tighten the first one all the way down and then tighten the other one. Do a little bit each time until you get it seated flat, okay?
When you first start the bike, there will be some exhaust leaks. This is because the sealant needs time to heat up to seal the entire system. Just make sure there aren't any leaks coming from the head. Also, pro tip, the exhaust pipes will heat up very fast, so don't touch them. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been an amazing install, one that has been I should say a little challenging at times, but all worth it in the end. I hope that you guys have got something out of this and can maybe make these types of modifications yourself to your motorcycle. I think it's a really great exhaust, and I mean, come on, it looks great too. All right guys, stay tuned, there's more to come for this bike. I will see you next time.